Imagine enjoying your favorite music or podcasts anywhere without fuss. The Belkin MFi-Certified 3.5mm to Lightning audio cable offers a straightforward way to connect your iPhone to car stereos or home speakers using just one cable. No adapters, no Bluetooth pairing, just pure, reliable sound. What sets this cable apart is its MFi certification, which means it's officially approved by Apple. This certification guarantees that the cable will work seamlessly with your iPhone, even after the latest iOS updates. You won't have to worry about sudden compatibility issues or dropped connections. Belkin has been a pioneer in tech innovation for over 35 years, and this cable reflects their commitment to quality and durability. It meets all of Apple's required and preferred standards for Lightning audio, ensuring the sound you hear is clear, crisp, and true to the original recording. The cable's design is as practical as it is reliable. Available in 3-foot and 6-foot lengths, you can choose the perfect size for your setup. The shorter length is great for minimizing clutter on your desk or front seat, while the longer cable reaches those hard-to-access aux ports without hassle. Setting up is a breeze. Simply plug the Lightning connector into your iPhone and the 3.5mm end into your car stereo or home speaker system. Instantly, your playlists, podcasts, or audiobooks are ready to play through your preferred speakers. No complicated steps needed. This cable isn't just about convenience, it's about lasting performance. Because it's the first of its kind with MFi certification, it ensures ongoing compatibility, so you won't have to replace it every time your iPhone updates. That's peace of mind for anyone who relies on their devices daily. Users across the United States praise the solid connection on both ends. The 3.5mm and Lightning connectors fit snugly into their ports, avoiding loose connections that cause interruptions. This tight fit translates into consistent audio playback, whether you're on a road trip or relaxing at home. Some have noted that the cable's diameter feels a bit thin, which might seem less durable at first glance. However, the strong connection and sound quality make up for this, delivering value that justifies the price. The secure fit and reliable performance are what really count. Why does this matter? Many cables on the market struggle with compatibility after iOS updates or deliver poor sound quality. Belkin's cable solves these problems, giving you a dependable way to enjoy your iPhone's audio without interruption or compromise. If you're someone who values seamless, high-quality sound from your iPhone to any speaker system, this cable is worth a look. It's simple, reliable, and backed by a brand with decades of experience in technology innovation. The choice between the 3-foot and 6-foot length means you can tailor your setup to your lifestyle. Whether you want a tidy connection on your desk or a longer reach for your car's aux port, this cable adapts to your needs without sacrificing quality. Belkin's MFi certified cable isn't just an accessory, it's an investment in hassle-free audio. You get consistent compatibility, premium sound, and a design that fits naturally into your daily routine. No more fumbling with adapters or worrying about software updates breaking your connection. Ready to upgrade your audio experience? This cable brings your iPhone's sound to life through your favorite speakers, wherever you are. It's a simple solution that delivers reliable, high-quality audio with every use. Try it when you're ready to cut the clutter and enjoy uninterrupted music or podcasts on the go or at home. Belkin's MFi Certified 3.5mm to Lightning audio cable makes connecting your iPhone easier than ever, and keeps it that way. In a world full of cables that don't keep up, this one stands out. Its official Apple certification and thoughtful design mean you get what you expect. Dependable performance and clear sound every time you plug in. Don't settle for less when it comes to your audio connections. With Belkin's cable, You get a proven product that works today and tomorrow, no matter how your iPhone's software evolves. That's a smart choice for anyone serious about sound. So if you're looking to connect your iPhone to car speakers or a home system without fuss, this cable delivers exactly what you need. It's simple, effective, and built to last through every update and every playlist. Worth a look if you want a reliable, high-quality audio connection that just works. Belkin's MFi-Certified 3.5mm to Lightning cable keeps your music flowing smoothly, making your listening experience effortless and enjoyable.